In this how-to video, we're going to show you how to prepare a golden image in Kaviza, starting with importing a virtual machine. The first step to preparing a golden image in Kaviza is to import a virtual machine off the Windows desktop that you want to create golden images from. You want to start ideally with a pristine ISO image. There are a few things you need to do to the image and its virtual machine before you import it into Kaviza. So let's quickly highlight how you prepare a virtual machine for import into Kaviza. You need to activate Microsoft Volume license on that virtual machine, and we need this so that Kaviza can create virtual desktops from the golden image. You also need to install the hypervisor tools, and depending on whether you're using the VMware family of hypervisors or the Zen Server hypervisor, need to ensure that you're installing the appropriate tools. We need to enable remote access on the virtual machine by doing two things. First, by setting group policies to allow remote connections, and second, by opening the ports needed for both RDP and HDX connections. If you are bringing in an XP virtual machine, please ensure to install the Microsoft .NET framework as well. For more detailed instructions and step-by-step guide of how to prepare a virtual machine, see the Kaviza Administration Guide. A couple of other things to highlight are that you should disable antivirus on the golden image, and for Windows 7, enable the local administrator account. It's always a good idea once you've prepared the VM to log in remotely to that virtual machine via RDP to ensure that it has been properly prepared. Now that we have a VM ready, let's take you to the Kaviza Administration Console and show you how easy it is to import this VM into Kaviza and begin our image creation process. We're logged in as the Kaviza administrator, and we're clicking on Templates, and within Templates we're in the Images tab. We're going to click on the green icon next to Images to import our virtual machine. Kaviza is searching the data store that was set for the grid, and it's showing us a list of the virtual machines that are available for import and a list of virtual machines that are also at that data store that Kaviza cannot import. If we click on any of these, it explains why these are not importable VMs for Kaviza. The good news is that the XP and the Windows 7 images from which we want to create desktops are both considered as importable VMs. Let's go ahead and bring in the XP image. When we click on OK, Kaviza starts to make a copy of this XP image to create the golden image inside of Kaviza. So now it's asking us for the name of this copy. We're going to call it the Administrator Windows XP image. And the explanation is that this is the base image for all our administrators. So now that I've specified this, I click on Continue, and Kaviza says that it's going to make the copy. It drops us into a guided wizard through which we can walk this image through the rest of the image management lifecycle. It explains to us what it's currently doing, which is copying this image, and provides us a progress bar of how far along it is in the process. We don't have to wait on the copy to finish. We can go ahead and close this and click on desktops or servers and do other things that we need to do on this grid. And at any time, if we want to know what the status of the copy looks like, we can look at it in the status window at the bottom of the page. We can also get back to our edit wizard at any point by clicking on the edit icon in the image management window. Now that we've imported the image into Kaviza, we can take it through an image management cycle to generate our virtual desktops. The first step is to install the Kaviza desktop agent on the image, and once we do that, we can actually connect to the image and edit it by adding any applications we may want to add, or down the road by applying patches to this image. Once we're done with our changes, we take it through a sysprep process and then can test it as a user And when we're satisfied, we save and publish this golden image. Once we've published the image in Kaviza, we can associate different sets of policies with that image as templates, and from the templates, we generate virtual desktops. In following videos, we're going to walk you through some of these key steps in the image management cycle. If you want to try this out for yourself, you can download the product on our website and refer to the additional videos on how to create a golden image from Kaviza through the easy guided wizards in Kaviza's image management process. Thank you.